Hello beautiful people, hi, how are you? Today I have a quick foundation first impressions and I'm going to use a sample size because I can't afford the full size. So in today's video I'm going to try out the HD skin foundation from Makeup Forever. I haven't tried this brand ever in my life. Before we jump into the video, please subscribe if you haven't already. If it's your first time here on my channel. Hi, my name is Vera and I post mostly beauty, cosmetics, fashion, hair, I don't know, a lot of videos I post here on my channel. So if you guys like what you see, please hit the red button, ring the bell, activate all the notifications so you can get notified every single time I'm posting a new video on my channel. And without any further ado, let's jump into the video. I want to talk so fast and I can't, as you can see. I want you guys to do me a huge favor. Please do not look at my nails in today's video because I mean, from far they don't look bad. I lost one today and this one I'm sorry, I don't want to flash you, but this one doesn't look too good either. Like it bent, I don't know what happened, and it's about to break as well. So also this one I don't know what happened. Anyway, I'm going to do my nails tomorrow, not today, okay? Today I want to try out this foundation and I don't know what happened. My mood changed like that drastically today. I woke up very in a bad mood, like, you know, I felt depressed, anxious. Then I came here in this room to kind of prepare stuff for my next videos. Like I kind of planned a little bit my upcoming videos and my mood shift like drastically, as I said, and now I want to put makeup on my face and it's almost 6 p.m. Oh, 6:22 to be more precise, and oh my goodness, at 7, no, at 8, I don't know, at 8 p.m. my video goes live. So I need to finish filming this video before that. Okay, let's jump into the video. So yeah, this is me, this is reality. Let's just put this foundation on my face. So I did cleanse my face. Okay, so very fast I applied these 3 products on my face. Hyaluronic Serum, Moisturizer, and this primer from Good Molecules. This is my trusty primer. And let's see what it says. They have a bunch of shades, which is nice, but I feel like it's not enough still. Let's see what it says. I know that Kathleen Lights raves about this product. She loves it. She said that it works very nice with her dry skin, and I believe her, okay? So it says the new HD skin detectable stay true foundation, flawless skin effect, instantly blurs and covers imperfections, buildable medium to full coverage, true to skin, ultra natural looking result, undetectable finish, whatever that means, 24-hour wear, waterproof, sweat proof, smudge proof, mask friendly, ideal for normal, combination and oily skin. If you guys hear like boom, boom, it's like a fiesta in mi pueblo today, so ignore that. We don't have bombs here, not yet. So I'm going to take this one. My main concern about my skin is discoloration or dark spots, whatever you want to call it, some red spots, you know, and also fine lines and wrinkles. And I hope this won't settle into my... I can't open this, I'm struggling. I really hope this won't settle in my wrinkle lines or fine lines, whatever they are. Yay! I got it open. So I'm going to do this. You guys, I got half of it on my leg. Isn't this lovely? That's because I wanted to do my thumbnail, so bitch, no, stop it, because you will lose all of it. Yeah, this is a little bit too yellow for me, even though it's a neutral color. So I'm going with my trusty sponge. I just cleaned this and it smells so good. Okay, let's see. I have my mirror here. Now you can see it. Oh my goodness. Why do I feel like this is my color, my shade? It says medium, buildable, medium to full coverage. I'm choking. I obviously want more coverage because I have stuff to cover, okay? I don't know why, but I feel like the shade is matching me. Right? Let me know. What do you think? I feel like it's a good match. I'm going to build it, okay? Okay, yeah, I like this. Maybe don't wait too much to build the coverage because I feel like it's kind of lifting the first layer. Let's just move fast. I can see my dark spots I have around my cheekbones kind of peeking through, like they are there and you can kind of see it. Also, I'm seeing it settling into my smile lines and forehead lines. You guys see that? You guys see that? Okay, so let's talk about coverage. Yeah, I feel like this is a medium to full coverage. As you saw, I did build this up a little bit around where I need more coverage, around my cheekbones and on my forehead. You have to move quick because this dries fast. Yes, it does settles into smile lines, fine lines, wrinkles, whatever. As you can see, I just finished applying this and I can already see my lines peeking through. I need to set them with powder ASAP, and also my forehead. You guys see that? Other than that, I feel like it kind of delivers what it says. Ultra natural looking result. Yes, definitely looks like skin. It doesn't feel heavy on my skin. It doesn't look like makeup. Like my skin looks like my skin. Very fast I went with my Catrice concealer and it kind of lifted a little bit of foundation around this area, but then I went and I blended some more and it worked. I mean, it looks a little bit weird right here. I don't know why, but it looks weird. You guys see that? Like right here where it lifted the foundation, and here as well. You guys see that? I hope you can see it. You guys, I'm not liking this situation. Like, I'm looking very up close in the mirror, and where I said that foundation lifted when I applied the concealer, it looks bad now that I set this with powder, and it looks, I don't know, weird. You guys see that? Like right here, do you guys see that? This is where foundation meets concealer, and as I said, when I applied concealer, it lifted the foundation, and then I blended some more and it worked. But then I went with powder on top and it looks like this. Like, what should I do? Also on this area right here. I'm not liking this. Waterproof, sweat-proof, smudge-proof, mask-friendly. I'm just going to gently touch my skin with this white towel. Okay, let's just zoom you out a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. But this is a clean white towel. I just took this out of the bag. And I'm going to do this. Okay? That's it. I'm not pressing too much. Now, there's like a little bit of transfer, but I'm assuming it's from the powder. So yeah, let's see on my nose. Yeah, there's a little bit of transfer on my nose. Right here, you guys see that? What do you guys think? Let me know. I also fixed the smile lines, like they are not enhanced anymore. But let's see how this wears through the rest of the day. Also, I was able to smooth out my fine lines. This, I don't know what's this. Maybe because I went with a second dot on top of this redness and I haven't blended well. I don't know what's this. I hope you guys can see it. Alrighty, so I finished doing my makeup. Also, I filmed a few TikToks and look how red my skin is because I was doing... Oh! Anyway, so this is how the makeup looks right now. I was impressed because cream contour went very smooth on top of this foundation. Even though I did set some parts with powder, it still went so smooth on top. And it doesn't look bad. I feel like it's been like 2 hours since you last saw me, and other than that, I really don't know what happened here. Like, it bothers me. Other than that, it looks good. I feel like my smile lines are picking through, but it's been like, as I said, 2 hours. I was smiling, I was making weird expressions with my face. So I do love the finish. The coverage is pretty good as well, but like when you apply it, it dries pretty fast, so you have to work faster. That's one thing I don't like about this foundation. Will I purchase this foundation? No, because I said it's like 50 euros and I'm not about that expensive life. I mean, I cannot afford it, okay? Let's be clear here. I cannot afford to buy this foundation. It was fun and games to try it out, to see what Kathleen Lights means when she says that she loves this foundation. I mean, I kind of understand her, because even though I have, as I said, dry skin, but in the summertime it looks a little bit more normal, it feels so nice, and this has a matte finish. I like it. Next time when I will have a sample size, obviously, or maybe this brand wants to send me some makeup, why not? Let's just manifest that. So next time when I'm going to try out this foundation, if there will be a next time, I'm going to apply it as a concealer as well, because as I showed you guys, like, it didn't work. I don't know what I did wrong, but concealer and foundation didn't kiss each other. I used the sorry for that. I used the Catrice concealer, and as you can see, okay, it doesn't look that good still. But cream contour went nice on top, and it didn't like messed it even more. Other than that, I do like it, and I'm sorry to say this, but I'm not gonna purchase this. Yeah, I guess that's it for this first impressions, you guys. As I said, I won't be purchasing this foundation because it's way too expensive. If you guys afford it, I'm so happy for you. And let me know if you guys like it, if you have it, if you plan to buy this foundation, just let me know that down below. And yeah, I hope this is not a weird video, even though I said I like it but I'm not gonna purchase it. I hope it's not awkward. Anyway, so yeah, that's it for today. Let me know down below what do you guys think, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you guys in my next one.